What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys. All right, today I'm gonna be seeing if I can get some more power out of the Lectric XP. What your boy did was I purchased an upgraded controller online. I'm gonna replace the stock one with the new one, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can get a little bit more torque out of the joint. All right, so stay tuned, watch the video to the end, hit the like button because you know it's about to be a banger. All right, let's get into the joint. So what we're working with is a 35 amp controller. Okay, the Lectric XP max current it can handle is 20 amps. So in theory, we should be putting out about 1500 watts in this freaking motor. It also came with a LCD screen. With these controllers, you want to get the bundle with the LCD screen because sometimes they're not compatible. I could try to make it work with Lectrics, but I'm just gonna use this one just because they came together. So first we're gonna open the bike up and we have to take out the stock controller. Batteries right here, controller is mounted closer to the rear of the bike. In order to do that, you just have to take off these 4 screws right here, and the controller is right behind this wall. So let's do that. Okay, so here's the stock controller. Check out the size difference of the joints. Damn, look at the joint, okay? The little baby controller and the big boy joint. Okay, so we're gonna disconnect all these wires right here, and hopefully this big boy can actually fit in there. If not, we're gonna have to figure out a place to put it. So let's go ahead and disconnect the wires first. Also, this is the point of no return. This is where you void the warranty pretty much. So shout out to Lectric for the great warranty. I never had to use it, but you know, thank you for that. Okay guys, so all the wires have been disconnected. Here is the old controller. Okay, and here are the wires. We flipped the bike upside down because now I need to locate which wires I'm gonna keep. So we have to take off all this wrap and stuff, because what I'm gonna keep are the brake cutoff cables. I'm gonna keep the headlight, rear light cable, and all the motor wires pretty much. Now that I took off all the wires that we don't need, we're gonna connect the headlights, the throttle, the rear light, the motor wires and everything to the bike, and then we're just gonna test it out before we actually mount it up, just to make sure that it actually works. So as usual, the joints are not color coordinated, but dude, we're used to that. So we pretty much had to guess which ones actually went together. We also had to splice a few wires, such as the motor phase wires, and also, what was the other wires that we did?
What are these?
Motor phase wires.
What is these?
Just motor cables. That was it, right? Phase wires and motor cables. So now we're about to connect the battery, and we're just gonna see if it works. Hopefully it does.
You want me to be holding this?
No, I don't. Okay, so battery's on, and we're just gonna hit this switch here, and in theory, nothing should blow up. You ready? Oh shit. Okay, now let's see if we can turn on the screen. Nothing. All right, so somewhere there's a wrong connection, which I don't see how that's possible. Let's figure it out. So I forgot to mention that I wasn't going to use the stock battery on the Lectric XP. I'm using a upgraded battery. So I ordered a battery plate thinking that it would work for my bike, but you guys can't even see. Let's get in the light. The problem that we had is I ordered this plate off of eBay just so I can use the battery that I'm already currently using on my DIY bike, but didn't pay attention that they have 2 different connectors. This is the connection for that one, and this is the connection for the other one. So that's why the bike wouldn't turn on. So yeah, we're gonna have to get creative. We ended up taking this off of my dad's DIY bike, and we know this works because my battery works on there. So let's try this again. Let's plug everything up and let's see if the screen actually turns on. Okay, here we go. Screen is on. All right, let's twist the throttle and let's see if the joint explodes. Here we go. Nothing. Okay, there's no errors on the screen. Okay guys, so I think what the problem was is that this controller wasn't actually set up for the Lectric XP's motor, so I had to go through the settings and change them all. So hopefully now it should work. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Power is on. Let's turn up the brightness on the screen so you guys can see it. All right, now let's try to use the throttle. Still nothing. Still nothing. I'll try to do pedal assist. Nothing. Okay, we're back at square one. Okay, this is take 3, guys. So I think the problem that we were having is that we had the connections all wrong. Like I said earlier, it's not color coordinated, so we pretty much had to guess. And we switched some things around. We actually ended up splicing a couple cables, particularly these are the throttle cables. So let's go ahead and turn the bike on and see if it actually works now. Battery's connected. Let's turn it on. And let's give it some throttle. Woo. That sounds fast, guys. Let's look at the... Oh. Oh. It was hitting 61. Oh, okay, 61 kilometers per hour. I was about to say, if it's 61 miles, that's ridiculous. Let's change the setting to miles per hour. Let's see what it is. Hold on. Yeah, that was a false reading, guys. The tire size was 26. Let's see. Let's put it down to 20. Let's save that. Let's try it again. Let's see what the miles per hour reading is. Okay. So I think with this controller, if you hold the throttle for a certain amount of time, it keeps that speed. Let me try one more thing and see if the throttle is dependent on the actual level of pedal assist. Go ahead and hit the throttle one more time. No. Okay. So it's reading 29, so I think the top speed is not affected, which is fine, because all I wanted was more acceleration. So, I mean, the best bet is actually try it out. So what we're going to do is clean it up, actually mount everything, and then I'll probably jump on it tomorrow, and we'll do like a, you know, a little test ride. Okay, so stay tuned. Guys, it's the next day, and the bike is pretty much done at this point. There's just like a couple things that we weren't able to figure out, like the pedal assist. That doesn't work, but I think that's an easy fix. I think we just need to change some wires around. We also weren't able to get my lights to work, my you know, my headlight and my rear light. And then for some reason, the speedometer on the screen, it takes a while to kick in. It works, but like when you initially turn on the bike, it doesn't work for a little bit. But other than that, the bike is complete. Also got to clean up these wires down here. It looks trash, I'm not gonna lie, but hey, the bike is freaking working. So I just want to ride it around a little bit, and we're gonna test and see, you know, if it feels any more powerful. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see if we can match the speed of this truck. Nope, definitely can't. Hey, but we going 28 miles per hour with ease, guys. Ease. Also on this screen, it displays the wattage of the motor. So let's go ahead and test that out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll read it out. Here we go. So right now it says it's pulling a little bit over 1,500 watts, which is good. It's consistently holding 1,500 watts right now. Yeah, so I think we got a 1,500 watt bike. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, okay? It definitely feels a little bit different. I think the best way to test this out is to race it up against a stock Lectric XP. And guess what? We have one. My sister's Redbone is stock as far as like performance goes. We haven't like added anything to make it faster. It's just all looks pretty much. So I think I'm gonna race her, or I might hit up Reg and see if I can smoke him. But either way, yeah, we're gonna race it against a stock one just to see if there's a real difference. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it feels a little bit stronger. There's a hill coming up, so let's test it going up the hill. Hold on. We gotta take a look at the bike. Let me show you guys the bike. Boom. Look at freaking Leticia, guys. Boy, have we came a long way. Not gonna lie to you, okay? So here's the setup. The motor in the back is the stock 500 watt motor. The only thing that we added is an upgraded controller, which we actually put it inside here where normally the stock battery goes. I ended up taking the battery out, and we're not using that. So here's the controller in here because we didn't have enough space back here to put it. And then I mounted this battery on top. There's a 48 volt 15 amp hour battery. If you guys want to do this mod and you want to keep it stock with the stock battery, you can do that. You just have to change out the battery connector on your controller in, pretty much. I apologize for the tutorial part of the video. To be honest, I didn't have no clue what I was doing, so it wasn't really like a tutorial. I just wanted to document that I'm actually doing this upgrade. But if anybody has questions regarding exactly how it works, just let me know. But pretty much, dude, we had to splice a lot of wires, and it was pretty much just trial and error. It didn't work the first couple of times, but after switching some stuff around, it actually works. But here's the bike. What do you guys think? I think she's a freaking beast now. Not gonna lie to you. Leticia, I'm sorry, I haven't been, showing you the attention that you need. But, I'm all here for you, okay? And I'm never leaving you, okay, Leticia? So yeah, that's Leticia 2.0. Let's hop back on her. There's a hill right over here, so let's test it on the hill. Let's go. All right, we're at the bottom of a, semi-steep hill. Let's just see what type of speed we get going uphill. You ready? Let's go. So it looks like we're pulling 17 miles per hour throttle only uphill. That's not bad. Without pedaling, that's pretty freaking good. Like I said, we'll compare it to a stock Lectric XP so we can really see the difference. But shoot, I'm not mad at this. All right, let's go downhill. This ain't really like a true top speed, but might as well try it. Yeah, 31. We're going 31 miles per hour. So I don't think the controller affected the top speed of the bike. I think it's still limited somewhere inside the motor. But where you really feel the difference is the torque and the acceleration. All right, so let's see how accurate the speedometer is. It says that we're going 31 miles per hour, but let's just confirm it with the you know, GPS phone app as well. So let's go ahead and see what the top speed is, throttle only, on this bike. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and screen record. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, so the top speed is 29 miles per hour, guys, according to the display. Let's go ahead and check the phone now and see if that matches up. Let's see, top speed, yeah, we had 28 miles per hour top speed. So yeah, I don't think the controller upgrade, you know, helped out the top speed, because I don't know, it's something with Lectric's motor. I think it limits it, but as far as power goes, it takes off. It takes off, I'm not gonna lie. So I think the next video we'll do, we either hit up Reg or we'll see if my sister wants to do a race. We're gonna race this thing against a stock Lectric XP, and we're gonna see if there's a huge difference or not. But if you guys are interested in doing this mod, hit your boy up on Facebook, Instagram, or even here on YouTube, and I'll answer any questions you guys have. All right, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until the next one, deuces like that. Ah.